Have you ever wondered how website comes alive when you click buttons, open menus, or see things move? That magic is JavaScript. The language gives life to web pages. Today, we'll be starting JavaScript completely from scratch. So from now until the next 30 videos I'll be dropping on JavaScript, I will be covering the very basics. So get ready to move from zero knowledge to a professional level. As you're watching this, hit the follow button to avoid missing any video. When it comes to web technologies, HTML builds the structure, CSS adds the design, while JavaScript makes everything come to life. From animations to buttons that respond to when clicked, and forms that check your input before submitting.
A laptop?
Yes, you don't need a laptop to start coding. Here's what you will need. For iPhone users, download Code Editor for HTML, CSS, and JS. Android users, download Code Studio. PC users, download Visual Studio Code. Since I'm on PC, I'll be using Visual Studio Code. Let's write your first JavaScript code. On my PC desktop, I'll create a folder and name it Ucenth Dev. Then over here, I have my Visual Studio Code open. I'll just drag the folder that I've created and put it inside of my Visual Studio Code. So you'll see something like this. I'm going to go ahead and click here, remove this. Then over here, I'll click on this icon that says new file. I'm going to be creating two files, HTML and JavaScript. I want to show you how to link your JavaScript to HTML so that you can be able to run code and get it displayed immediately. For this, I'll first create my HTML file. I'll write index.html. So you can write it index.htm. You can actually still leave it at HTML. It's still okay. Then I'll hit enter. The second file we need is the JavaScript file. So I'll click on the add icon, then write script.js. So JS is for the extension of JavaScript. I'll click enter. Now we have our HTML and JavaScript files. Before we start doing anything, if you're using Visual Studio Code, I want you to navigate to this place over here. This is your extension icon. Click on it. We're going to be downloading an extension called Live Server. Let me expand this a little so you would see this. So the one we'll be needing is this particular one that have over 6.9 million installation. I'll click on it and click on the install button to have it installed. So right now it's done installing. Close our tab. Then head over to our HTML and write the structure of our HTML page. Since I'm using Visual Studio Code, I will easily hold down Shift and press 1 so I can get my exclamation mark. Then I'll click enter. Now, immediately I've done this, you'll notice that we have the structure of our HTML. Then I'll save this, head over to the JavaScript file. Now we are inside of our JavaScript file. Let's write our first JavaScript code. So I'll say alert in parentheses and double quotes. Then the next thing we need to do is to link our JavaScript to our HTML. So I'll go back to the HTML just before our body ending tag, which is this. I'll click enter and write script. Then after writing this script, I have to come over to this place, just over here, give it a space and write source in abbreviation, SRC, then enter. Then we have to put in the name of our JavaScript file. And as you remembered, we named it script.js. So I will write script.js. I'll hold command and save. Now we have our script saved. Let's run it in our browser. Since we have our live server installed, I'll right click inside of my HTML page and click on open with live server. Boom, here comes the alert of welcome to our 30 video JavaScript journey. So that is exactly how you can write, link, and run your JavaScript code. And don't forget to like, share, and hit the follow button for the next video.